want to host a party where you spend more time entertaining and less time cooking. We've gathered some of the smartest kitchen technology available right now to help you achieve exactly that. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 smart appliances for hosting that will revolutionize your next gathering. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting, and today we're focusing on how smart appliances make hosting simple. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. We're starting with the why. Why these smart appliances are essential for modern entertaining. These tools are key because they provide convenience and time-saving features. Smart refrigerators and ovens drastically reduce your prep and cooking time, which means you can finally enjoy the party instead of being stuck in the kitchen. Furthermore, they ensure better food quality and consistency because smart cooking methods such as Sous Vide and precise temperature control guarantee that meals come out perfectly every time, eliminating the risk of an overcooked steak or soggy vegetables. Finally, you get incredible flexibility and multitasking capabilities, since remote controls, presets, and multifunction cooking let you manage multiple dishes, snacks, and drinks seamlessly while you mingle with your guests. First up is the KoolMore 30-inch and 18.5 cubic feet counter-depth French door refrigerator. A big, smart French door refrigerator is indispensable for hosting because it keeps all your ingredients, drinks, and leftovers perfectly fresh for days. It is especially great for advanced meal prep and is ideal if you plan to store large quantities of party supplies or chilled beverages for your guests. This particular model boasts a spacious 18.5 cubic feet capacity in a sleek counter-depth configuration fitting neatly into contemporary kitchens. It features a double-flow cooling system and digital temperature control, offering precision cooling to ensure equal distribution of cold air, which keeps your fruits, vegetables, and meat fresher for longer. Customers consistently praise this refrigerator for offering great value, excellent cooling performance, and quiet operation, noting its surprisingly spacious interior despite its small footprint, and appreciating the elegant stainless steel design. Second on our list is the Samsung 30-inch smart wall oven with steam cook. A smart wall oven is a host's best friend because it allows for remote preheating, precise cooking control, and even steam-assisted cooking for more flavorful dishes. This is highly useful for managing big dinners or large gatherings, as you can conveniently check and adjust the cooking status directly from your smartphone while you're out entertaining guests. This Samsung model, with its substantial 5.1 cubic feet capacity, features dual convection technology to save you time by cooking food quickly and more evenly to perfection. The standout steam cook feature introduces precise moisture at the right times, creating dish with a perfectly crisp exterior and a tender, juicy interior, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor and adjust cook time and temperature via the SmartThings app, or even use voice control with Bixby, Alexa, or Google. Third, we recommend the Breville BSV 600 PSS Joule Turbo Sous Vide machine. The Sous Vide is the perfect tool for effortlessly cooking high-quality, restaurant-style meals like tender steak, delicate fish, or perfect veggies with minimal effort, which makes hosting significantly easier. This device allows main dishes to cook themselves to flawless perfection while you focus completely on other tasks or your guests. The Breville Joule Turbo provides an automated cooking experience powered by the intuitive Joule app, and its new Turbo mode uses complex algorithms to deliver precise results in half the time. This machine simplifies the process through visual doneness, letting you select your desired results before you start, and the prime time feature gives you a flexible window of time when the food is at its peak quality, ensuring you eat when you are ready. Fourth, consider upgrading your tools with the Inkbird wireless meat thermometer. A reliable wireless meat thermometer is crucial for ensuring every protein is cooked safely and perfectly, allowing you to monitor multiple dishes without being tethered to the kitchen or grill. This Inkbird model offers a versatile 3-combination mode, including 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity for unlimited range, Bluetooth for up to 300 feet, and a non-phone connect mode for standalone use. It features 4 probes, each with dual temperature sensors at the head and tail ends, simultaneously detecting the internal food temperature and the cooking environment temperature with high accuracy. Through the Inkbird app, you can use 26 preset USDA menus or create custom ones, set high temperature alerts and timers, and track cooking progress with graphs. Finally, for an unforgettable finishing touch, we recommend the Ripple's The Original Maker 2, which prints on beverage foam and desserts. This unique machine is a beverage-top media printer designed to transform simple foam-topped drinks like coffee, lattes, cocktails, or even macaroons into personalized, customized experiences for your guests. The machine uses all-natural, plant-based extracts for printing, which are odorless and preservative-free. It's Wi-Fi enabled and incredibly easy to operate, printing custom designs in just 10 seconds, which is a fantastic way to boost engagement and add a personal touch to your entertaining. It's a surefire way to create a memorable wow moment that your guests will love and share. If you enjoyed this video and are ready to host your next party with smart convenience, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.